Hey, how you doing, guys? This is Jay. Today, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your kinetic line, get your little bit glutes active, work on those legs. Basically, this is the golden exercise. I didn't want to say this exercise is going to fix everything, not to correct you and make you feel pain-free leaving. No, but it's going to be great exercise for you. So we take 25 pounds band. You can use any type of band. Why I'm using heavy? Because I want to reactivate all my core, my hip flexors, my glutes. That's why I need the heavy. If not, you can use this kind of type. It's going to help you in the beginning. If you feel weak, use small one, the low density. If you want more action, get some little bit bigger. So what I'm doing, I'm looking for probably same level of my shoulder. So this is right here. If not, you can use the door, tree, any electric pole. Make sure you're safe and not gonna injure yourself. But this is great exercise. So what we're doing here, we pull the band inside, so attach, make sure it's any rips around. It's looking good. What I'm doing now, I grab this band, both arm, and I pull, you see like holding, I pull all the way down. Pull all the way down this band, hold it, and I can even sit down now. I'm sit down. What I'm doing here, I'm trying to place one leg inside. You see, it's holding it. Now the other one. So both legs inside, right? I'm just release that and lift myself up. So what I'm doing, I push this leg down. Don't use your arms. And all I do, just push it down. Guess what? I'm activating my glutes. I'm activating my core. And I just push it down. And when you release, you try to slowly let it go. I'm already feeling my core and my quads. You can do single leg, 2. Push 1. It's gonna help you to balance your sacrum. That lower back pain, push. You can push and hold, resist, you see? A couple more. You can switch, you can do single leg. Easy. And nice. Here we go. Pull another one. Resist. Make sure the leg is straight. And down. Push. And this one is weaker. Push and hold. Here we go. Something just click. My glutes get stronger. And you can go return to the both leg. Up and down. And look, very strong now. Push, hold, release. And this is how you release it. And this is how you get up. All right. This is great exercise. I really feel in my front and my back, powerful exercise. Use it. And make sure you don't experience pain. If you experience pain doing any exercise, that means you're not doing right or something is not correct. You need to call the specialist and work it out. Don't work through the pain. That means it's non-functioning. Don't make mistake. Don't injure yourself. Be smart about it. Have a good day.